Namaskar. This is in continuation to my previous video on healthy fats. So I was discussing about what is the role of fat in our body. There are three types of fats: saturated fat, unsaturated fat, then there is trans fats. Now, as far as our previous concept was that is there some fats they are bad, some fats they are good fats. They are not. But in that contrast, so sometimes the fats which are useful for body, so you are not able to consume that fats. So as per now the latest guidelines, there are some fats which we should consume that is in small quantity as compared to the other fats. For example, the first type is saturated fat, then there is an unsaturated fat, then there is trans fats. Now, as far as saturated fats are concerned, as per this UK guidelines, the consumption for a man should not be more than 30 grams per day, and for a woman it should not be more than 20 grams per day. As far as the trans fats are concerned, the consumption for both men and women it should not be more than 5 grams. So the saturated fats are those fats which we should consume in less quantities. Unsaturated fats, so there are they have been classified as the good fats or healthy fats. So they can be consumed in large quantity. But as the trans fats are concerned, that we have to avoid trans fats because of their specific that is a negative role which is played in our health. Now, as far as the saturated fats are concerned, these fats because you know that in our this blood cholesterol there are LDL and HDL. LDL that is your low density lipoprotein and high density lipoprotein. So one is bad cholesterol, one is good cholesterol. So this is saturated fats. They have tendency to increase LDL because they actually the quantity should be less as far as LDL, as far as this blood composition is concerned. Because the more the LDL is there, then there will be more deposits in the arteries. So it can lead to some blockage in the arteries. It can lead to some heart attack or some heart stroke is also there. So they have this negative role. As far as blood pressure is concerned, they have this negative role is concerned. But as far as the unsaturated fats are concerned, they have that is the tendency to decrease the LDL as well as to increase the HDL. That is both the positive. And more of blood pressure, they are also in control. So therefore, the chances for this that is a heart attack or the stroke, they are less. Similarly, these trans fats. They are playing the negative role. So there are some main distinctions between the types of fats. And for further information, I think it's better if you consult the next my video in this topic. Thank you.